Correct people, we greet you now. Welcome now to this our channel. If na the first time when I dey waka jam this our channel, make una follow us, make una like our page, and make una help us dey share our videos. Una know say na ogbonge updated news, breaking news, correct tori na we dey carry come for una for here. So if you never subscribe to our YouTube channel, make una rush go subscribe and also turn on the notification bell so that anytime we like say we drop updates, una go dey notified. Anyway, my people, make we enter the updates and the tori wey we carry come for una like this. Make una watch. Yes, so my people, 56 communities for 8 local governments inside Bauchi State don dey face flood wahala. As una dey see so for screen, so flood don take over 56 communities for inside Bauchi State. People no be small thing o. This one get as e be o. E be like say their environmental condition for that side dem no manage am well, abi their drainages and the rest. The way this water just take over these communities dem no be small thing, my people. Anyway, make I leave una make una watch this video and hear all wetin dey happen for inside Bauchi State concerning this flooding wahala.
Available report with the authorities in managing Bauchi State Environmental Protection Agency (BASEPA) and agroclimatic resilience in semi-arid landscape (ACRISA) in the state, which Ibrahim Kabir is the head of the two agencies, revealed that 8 Bauchi local government with about 56 communities stand the risks of this year's flooding predictions by 9 months. According to him, measures of mitigating the unforeseen disaster has been put in place.
We had a need assessment. We discussed with them. Then based on the need assessment, we realized that we need to do 4 things. 1 is the issue of relocating of some of the communities that are more vulnerable. 2 is for us to look at those urban areas to make sure that we desilted their drainages. There should be a free flow of water. The 3rd one is for us now to support the traditional approaches by some of the communities to protect themselves, and we provide them with all necessary support so that they can achieve that. The 4th one is the issue of dredging, the rivers, which is actually either a middle term or long term.
Kirifi local government is among the 8 local government identified with a total of 7 communities to be affected. Bara community is in Kirifi local government, where Bauchi Gombe Federal Highway Bridge was recently cut off. A visit to Cheledi as one of the 7 communities in Kirifi local government, which were also affected last year, losing about 600 houses with properties worth millions of naira submerged. The community members who spoke on the level of their preparedness, noting that they are fully aware of this year's predictions, said they are ready for any actions to be taken for their safety.
There is 2 to 3 rains that they do it. And when you see how the flooding is coming from this area, you will know that we are not safe, because any moment there is a flooding that is going to attack our community.
According to them, the source of the flooding is coming through this mountain with about 3 waterways 2 kilometers away from the affected communities. This mini dam was constructed 3 years ago, according to the communities, by the government to mitigate the flood. But according to them, it doesn't hold water again, resulting to the flooding last year.
This is a major source of water flooding into Cheledi town. The water is believed to have been coming from this end to this end.
Ibrahim Kabir, who is an expert in the field, spoke on what is majorly responsible for the flooding, stating that human factor is one.
We realized that the major source of this flooding, about 46 communities reported that, is because the river is silted. It's so shallow to the level that it cannot contain the quantity of water that it has been containing. So the water flows sometimes over 40 kilometers away, to go and inundate a particular community, and it wash away and it create flooding in the area. These agricultural activities very close to the water bodies, they make the soil so vulnerable to erosion, so that whenever there is heavy runoff, it carries the soil, and it will go and just silt the river, so that it makes it very, very shallow.
The question that remains unanswered to the authorities is that when is these communities be evacuated by the authorities as promised, without waiting for the disaster to happen?
Yes, so my people, now the updates wey we carry come from na like this be this. So una see as flood don take over 56 communities for Bauchi State. So we hope say government come to their rescue. Anyway, my people, I wanna read into this matter na Sam. Make una drop una comment and make una no forget to like and share.
When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you're safe and